What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy Destroy Motors. We back with another banger. I got a morning video. Talking about a morning video. Well, yeah, it's 7:06 doing this video in the morning. I wanted to do it yesterday, but I had some stuff to do, so I'm doing it this morning before I'm at work. Well, I'm at work right now. Somebody's at. But I got a morning video. This video is rating followers' cars. So what I did, I posted on my Instagram story. Send me pictures of y'all cars and I'm gonna rate them. So that's what I'm about to do. How I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna do it on a scale of 1 to 10. Some of y'all don't be butthurt. Some of y'all don't just think because we boys, I'm gonna give y'all automatic 10 or 9. I'm gonna just keep it real with everybody. The cars I've seen so far, they all look nice. So you feel me? I don't think nobody's like at least a 4. I'm gonna just say that. But if I didn't get your car this time, I'm gonna get it in the next video. The reason being is probably because you didn't send it to me, or that's probably not the, I got everybody cars who they sent. So if you don't see your car in the video, you didn't send it to me, just send it if you're watching this. I'm gonna leave my Instagram right here in case some of y'all viewing want to join too, if y'all don't follow me yet. So like I said, if your car not in this video, I can make another video and put your car in it. It's probably because you didn't send it or I ain't getting nothing like that. But you see your boy fresh off the fade, off the haircut, got the waves in here, busting. Boy, if you don't, I'm about to put my do-rag on. I gotta put my ugly look on when I go in here. So, all right, but yeah, that's the video rating cars. Like I said, I'm gonna do it on a scale of 1 to 10. The video probably ain't gonna be that long. Again, I'm giving my honest opinion. Don't matter who you are, I'm gonna just give my 100% honest opinion on a 1 to 10. Regardless if we cool, we boys, don't get butthurt. I'm gonna just keep it real. I ain't gonna lie to one person, but tell the truth about another one. So, all right, let's get into it. All right, first off, we got my boy Deron. He got a Chevy Assist. I give this a 1 out. I said a 1 out of 10. That was about to be stupid. I get it. This boy hard. Let me see. It's hard. I don't think I have a reason to not put it anything under 10. Cause like, there's nothing wrong with it in my opinion. Only thing I could say in this picture at least, he's just like me. He need like a front windshield tint. I think that's it. I think his size good. 'Cause I seen him in person. He just need that front window tint. And y'all wait till he get the wrap. But I have no reason to get this like anything under a 10. You feel me? Like to me, ain't nothing wrong with it. I like it. The red off the black. He ain't keeping the red forever, so y'all stay tuned to that. So yeah, I get a Chevy Assist. I give it a 10. This hard. This honestly an underrated vehicle. You feel me? Like a lot of people really don't even know what this is. A lot of people think this is a ordinary Malibu, which is not. But you live and you learn. Some people don't know that. But yeah, this is a 10. So next we got this Infinity. What kind is it? It's 30T, I think. If I'm wrong, my bad. If I'm wrong, it's hard too for real. I ain't gonna lie. I get this a 9. This the only reason why. Only reason why is because I really do not really like two-door cars. I really don't. I mean, I like them. Don't get me wrong, but I just do not prefer them. If that makes sense. But no, I like this though. This hard. He got. I think that's a blacked out grill. I don't know if it's blacked out or chrome. And I love white. To me, white is the best color. Oh, he got a sunroof. What the fuck? Oh, oh, bro, just got a 10 for that one. But you know what? Let me see. But it's hard. This. I don't know if I should throw it. The only reason I would throw it at a 9 is because I feel like he should get black, like wrap or paint his wheels black to like match the black on the top, on the mirrors, on the grill. But it's hard though. Don't get me wrong. It's hard. It's either a 9 or a 10. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a 9 just because it's not a 4 door. That's all. But I shouldn't do them like that. This shit hard. Uh, damn, what y'all think? It's hard though. Ain't nothing wrong with it at all. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just I don't know. I just don't prefer to. It's hard though. But Infinity. Ooh, what if he got a I'm showing the other cars. What if he got like a front splitter? That'd be hard. I give him 9.5. Let's just give him that for right now, cause it's hard. I ain't gonna lie. I like this. All right, the next car. Woo! See, look, 10, 10, automatic 10. Ah, my God, it automatic 10. I ain't even have to think about it. Once he sent it, I already knew. Like, yeah, this a 10 off rip. And this where I'm about to shock the world, right? This is not a Hellcat. This is not a Scat Pack. This is not a Hellcat or a Scat Pack. And it's not a RT. Y'all know this is a V6. Like this gotta be like top five V6s of all time. Top five. Y'all can disagree, y'all can agree. This top five. This is top five. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think I seen it. Well, it's him and this other dude that live out here in Dallas. He got like a rap and a slam V6. Right now, them top two. But I'm coming for both of y'all. Wait till I'm done with my car. I'm coming for both of y'all. But nah, for real though, this a 10 off rip. He even got like the wheels that come with. I think them the red eye wheels, if I'm not mistaken, cause like the newer red eye wheels, they look more like curved in, like digged in and whatnot. But yeah, this a 10. And he off the headlights. Yeah, this a 10. Next car we got my favorite Challenger. This is my favorite Challenger. Here we go. It's my boy, my favorite Challenger. My bad. What am I doing? Exposing the cars again. I'm tripping. So my boy, he got a RT Challenger. I think it's like 2010 or something. He about to get rid of the yellow. He about to do something else. I ain't gonna say too much. He told me what colors he gonna do, but y'all gotta go to his channel and figure that out. But, let me cut my headlights up. But damn, my favorite Challenger. I'm gonna give it. This is hard, bro. I don't even want to give him nothing under a 10 because this shit hard. I would give him let's say let me find the cons of this car, even though it's hard to. I That front bumper, that's a 9. Other than that, nah, bro, good. Again, it's my favorite Challenger, hardest Challenger. I want him to low key like engine swap it. I don't want him to give it away. This is my thoughts. If he watched this, hey bro, if you watching this, between me and you, I want you to keep it. I don't want you to trade it for what you was telling me about. I low key want you to keep it and just swap it. That'll be hard. And get them lights you was telling me about. But yeah, bro, it's a 9. I really want to wait to see, once you change, I want to see what you got coming with that. You really don't see too many people do yellow. You feel me? He got some yellow stuff in the back too and in the inside. But yeah, this straight 9 is my favorite Challenger out of everybody there. This hard. I'm gonna give my boy a 9. Next car, we got a GT. It's a GT like mine, just not the color. I think he even got the same wheels, if I ain't mistaken. I think them is the same wheels I got. This what's that color called? It's like I think it's called like Granite GT.
Stupid.
I said Granite GT, Granite Gray or something like that. I don't know. I could be wrong, but It's twinning with me. You know what I'm talking about. I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was a Daytona at first until I looked at the other picture. But this a cool. I'm gonna give it an 8. The reason being is because it's basic. Not like the car. Like the car is hard. Don't get me wrong. This is a hell of a car. Reason being is I just want to see something done to it. Not telling you if you watch this, I'm not telling you to like do something to it. I'm not telling you, you know what to do with your car. I love the car. I love the color. Honestly, this gray. Sometimes to me, this gray hit harder than my gray. I mean, people say otherwise, but nah, this car is for sure dope. I like it. I love it actually. This is hard, but I give it an 8. Probably. 'Cause I think a girl drive this actually. If you watching it, you could do something with it. Like, for example, God damn it, I don't know, whatever you like though. But we gonna settle this one with an 8. Next car, we got a Chrysler 200. I'm gonna give this one an extra point. No matter what I give it, I'm gonna just give it an extra point. Reason being is because it's different. If that makes sense to y'all, like it's different. You don't see too many people like car people for real with a 200. I'm gonna settle it with a 7, but like I said, with the extra point, it's gonna be an 8 as well. Cause it's nice, it's dope. I love the headlights. That's what gets me. I think the headlights is probably the best feature of it. I like the headlights on the 200 over the 300, honestly. Yeah, the headlights, I love white. It'd be dope if she did. I think this is another female driven car. I think it'd be dope if she did like black side mirrors, a black roof, black mirror. That's just what I would do at least. I ain't gonna say I think she should do it. That's just what I did. But I love it. It was nice. I was actually thinking about getting one for my first car for real. Little do y'all know. But I think it's at an 8. Yeah, it's an 8. The next car. Y'all seen this one. Y'all seen this one. Y'all know, hey, y'all gonna tell him let me drive his car for one time. Let me spin that boy. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure his brakes don't catch on fire. Ah man, but nah, all jokes aside, this one I'm gonna give it. Let me see. Let me see. It's almost time for me to go in too. Let me. I think this is the last car though. I'm gonna give this a 9. The reason I say a 9 is because the rims go hard with this car. Don't get me wrong. Me personally, I probably would have chose like. Let me think. No, the rims fit the car though. That's the thing. So it's really not bad. Man, he ain't got nothing else wrong with it. Like the headlights perfect. Little do y'all know, I prefer this Charger over the Charger I got right now. Like the 2011 or 2014 body style, like my favorite body style for the Charger. So that's another plus for him. He got the SRT bumper. He got the headlights. The reason I say 9 though, and the reason I brought up the rims is hard. I love the rims, but these are like my least favorite scat pack rims, if that makes sense. I'm sinuses messing with me. No, he's solid with this. The rims do match the car, so that's why I like it. Like the whole car fits the car most definitely. This is like I said, these just my least favorite scat pack rims. They still hard. Don't get me wrong. Like I'm not trying to say they ass or nothing like that, but yeah, that shit hard. My boy got the plate in the window. I'm about to come take your shit. But yeah, bro, gonna settle at a 9. I think that's everybody. So yeah, for y'all who didn't let me not. For y'all who didn't put y'all cars in, like, or let's just say y'all just want to watch. Let me know what car y'all thought was the best. Let me know if y'all thought I was tripping on one car or was accurate with one car. But that's pretty much the wrap of this video. Like I said, if your car wasn't in this one, it'll most likely be in the next one I do. So I'm gonna drop my Instagram again if y'all ain't see it earlier, or even though y'all should have. I'm gonna drop my Instagram so y'all can send it for part two. Whenever I get at least 5 cars to do a part two, I'll make a part two. But yeah, that's the end of the video. So y'all drop in the comments what was y'all favorite car in this video. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me who deserve higher. Tell me who deserve lower. Like I said, just my honest opinions. Like I was saying earlier, like all these cars is hard. Honestly, I like every single car, and like I did, they are hard, literally each one. But that's wraps for the video. So again, appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all in the next video.